I say people TikTok turn right upside down to the Blinga live stream. RT Boss, NotNice, Dewey, and Queenie then come out strong people. Now listen to the video and hear what them I say. I pay a commotion, but to no listen.
Dewey, what mama there?
Me? Yes, you.
Like next one we ask them question there. This one, my friend. You're not watching the media. That is on yo, B, on a big man level. That ask no question when I make no sense, B, on a big man level.
So put your cloth and go. You can't do somebody over here.
Back your cloth, make pussy hole. How you man go suck out your mother? Nobody know you, girl. How you man? Bumbo.
You need some lamb. Go ahead. People are trying to make peace up and your baga. Go ahead.
I see we're not hearing
Leave
it.
your husband, him upset, leave him. Him not just
I
make
see.
peace. I do it don't stay like me. Me just cuss and make peace a while ago. Right,
Do we come like a weapon of mass destruction to blood clot? Everybody go him like a nuclear and mash up everything.
You
Alright,
to
so
RT.
make
RT, me I tell you some RT boss. In a real life, me did respect you, but you see from me see I call me waste man, brother. Man, you're the biggest waste man on the internet. Did you know that? Did you know that say you're the biggest waste man on the internet? Cause what you're doing is relevant. You walk up here. You walk up here and it's still not work. Nobody now come clear. Say you know say yo the G work for me and it got you. NotNice say they on the live right now, I can't talk. NotNice say you give me a ring after you give me a ring. The whole time life turn upside down. You think me afraid for bomb buckler chat? Me tell you already, you know me. I want
but listen,
when I'm fuck, you hear that?
That's
See, step on the live, you come at your party. When you come at your party and you give him the red ring with the whatever in it. Him life, him wife left him. Everything got down to the ground. You hear that?
I don't lie, the man I tell when the people
So,
say,
in a real life, me support anytime when you hear me talk, me not got time I tell the life on nobody, you know.
when you don't talk, me talk. Alright, first of all, NotNice never come to me. We no work. Me keep my $1 million birthday and NotNice licky blood clot. Come on my birthday.
Thank you.
Licky blood clot. Yeah, when me invite him get free ring and free soap. When you get the free ring and the free soap, him come and give a testimony. Thank you, NotNice. Me go say never. Post a video. When NotNice come and tell me.
Yeah, I say about this come down. When NotNice I go say me, but me say boy, you say you walk up here. That alone in can't say me not say nothing more. Me not say nothing more. No. Me telling already. I want boy when I call people phone and tell and chat people. But yeah, that people call me and chat people, not me.
add me the fuck on
Alright, me go say something to you now, NotNice. Tell me something. Me say to you, me can't say me can't admit it. I'm one big man. Me am one big man. Me dey on the live. Say me say something about my wife, I'ma admit that. Cause if I lie, I tell me I go tell you go suck your mother, NotNice. That's straight.
No, not nice. When, sir?
Mayo, what, if I repeat back everything again?
Every fucking thing you want to repeat, come have a voice note with you.
The man
me have
say
more than
say
one
put
voice
the
note
woman
with you, brother.
first.
So here we go on. Me I make you talk. Me never make you play a voice note, bro. Me I make you talk.
Yeah, talk we do it, sir.
Talk, bro.
But I know.
Hello?
Okay.
Talk, now, brother.
Mayo, you mess
No,
up.
this is so
NotNice. We are big people, bro. And this need to stop, brother. Every minute somebody play tit for tat, tit for tat.
Listen, bitch, listen.
I am bitch pussy, go suck your mother, you bright tip bumbo.
Yeah.
You cannot be bitch up bumbo club, man.
Intelligent
Me
bitch,
beg you fuck your bumbo hole. I want your boy. Don't fuck yourself here.
Yo,
Wait,
hey,
man,
boy,
have a
listen,
nice.
hey, boy,
Go
listen,
suck
man.
your mother, NotNice, and don't boy me up.
Waste man.
Don't fucking boy me
Yeah,
up, you.
waste man, do it.
NotNice.
You're big waste man. You know see that? You know see that? You're big waste man, pussy. I want your boy.
Shut up.
I want your little boy.
And come face to face.
We have
now
piss
and
bed.
do
You
it.
don't have a bed for piss in
Can
a
your
pussy.
RT.
Nobody have no bed. We're not talking about that. We
Can
have
your
no
RT.
Do it,
Listen to me.
dog, do it, come
Him
on.
say
do
you
it.
to talk to him face now what you say about talk.
Blinga,
No,
you
not
looking for?
stop calling bitch. That not
No,
that
man, she unmute you because I couldn't
Unmute
hear
you.
you.
Call him a bitch. Talk to him about him wife. Make him defend it if I lie or true.
All right, so don't talk now. The man look at me and say, yo, your pussy always a bleed. You see me? And you want to fuck. You see me? Him no want to fuck you. That's why you have to carry him back over give him girl.
Right, that's
What
what.
a lie, NotNice.
Jesus.
Nice. Are you put that together and I try frame somebody, right? Yeah.
My pussy is content.
That sounds very nasty. Him say you always a bleed. Him say you always a bleed. Not nice. Say you always a bleed and you want to do sex.
If I lie, me I tell Father
Don't shout. We're not hearing when you shout. Not nice. Oi. Not nice.
Don't shout, not nice.
Not nice, that not help you. Because we are say right this up.
Me not do this to the brother. Me not do it to the brother. Me not do it with the brother. This is you gonna say I lie, brother. If I lie, me I tell Mark's God right now. Me
tell you
Not nice. That's a typical lie. That is a typical lie. Know that.
Me not typical lie. Me not believe that nice. That nice them a
Me
lie.
you know hold them argument they not nice.
That nice still a wicked blood clot like me one time. So me can't believe.
Yo, me not even no onion bomb.
Not nice. The queen the pump always a bleed.
Not nice, cheesy.
Not nice. Remember good.
It's hard to do a show for you. Me must keep him party. Not nice. That nice not like
You know they love the answers and the distress. And not nice and do a platform now. When not nice and do that chat, Queenie, nobody else ever did it. So many two of them talk and squash it out.
Hey, missbling. That's why we real bomb clap. That's why fucking eyes on me. Fuck out of here.
Not nice. Remember how the argument come up when you tell them wife came and got back. Remember the other on the internet attack, yeah? I'm very clear, I said yes, when them on the internet attack, we said that is the reason why we got to back. That is what I said today, not nice. Now your mom stop calling blood clot.
Do it, alright. Oh, me was a queen up on a train. I got England, I got Jamaica, and I call her, she not answer on the phone. Oh, me know them something. Me don't know about that now.
No, go back up on the plane and answer, but that's not secret, not nice.
He might tell me them things, you see me?
Not nice, me I tell you, you ask me a question, not nice. Remember you ask me a question. You understand me I answer you, me I relate back to you till you say, yes, when the first time when I bring herself and come to me, I was calling her phone and she wasn't answering. Yeah? So me don't know how you bring that to make it sense. I want to hear you.
Not nice.
I want to hear, not nice. I'm going to suck your mother again for you. You know?
But chuck to your circle.
Do it.
Look at work.
Alright.
Look at work, pussy.
Alright, not nice. Stop the bad word.
Not nice, yeah, work.
Alright, everybody stop the bad word. Cut out all bad word.
Not nice, are you working?
Always at work. Queenie,
Alright,
ever
send
work.
me
Queenie,
100 pounds,
ever work have my money, Queenie.
Oh, send me 100 blood clot pound. Come at
Alright, not nice. I'm money for saying I see people when they on internet with him beg.
Where's the Queenie? Queenie, where's that?
The same people in on the internet in blood clot beg.
Jamaica, not nice. Can't just make me nice, no need for
Him can't even send $20 much less.
You know, I have nothing much to say again.
Say no more.
Shut up, no man. Do it. Listen, not nice.
RT boss, I just say a while ago, RT boss.
Not nice.
Me your turn friend now, so I have nothing more to say.
That's tell you about you. See you? I tell you about you now, RT boss. You see you love your fuckery. You see when you do your fuck with them?
RT boss is just a
man. But you what? I'll tell you something, RT boss. In a real life,
boss, anybody
I'll tell you something. Me not look my friend RT boss. But you see, as of today, me your good brother. Me not have nothing against you. I mean, I want you to have nothing against me, bro. You hear that? But you see that one with them on the life when you're not nice, me I tell you something, you. And last week, me hear some girl talk about you say, yeah, wear them clothes in foreign. You hear that? I want to tell you something. You see that mix up thing where you go from one life to the next, you need to stop. Because you're going to make people hurt you. Me I tell you that. Because I never come from the life about nobody else. I come from the life about
Dewey, you confuse me. Who wear clothes? I mean, matter?
No, not you, RT boss. I the one name not nice. I wear girl clothes.
No RT.
Not nice. Let me that phone.
My name is say me not beg no friend, but me and the G thing alright now. So what I do?
Yo, mama.
Me and the G thing good.
Right, that's nice. Alright, so Queenie, you and RT can start work back. RT, tell the people them send gifts because we can't
no one in your money fish mind me here.
Not nice.
Give TikTok.
Not nice.
Blinga life.
Put gift TikTok. Can you answer not nice?
Where is Mama?
Not nice.
Yo.
Where is Mama?
Set up a gift them.
Wanna please invite that big mudfish?
Text me. Just, you know what to do, Queenie. You know what to do. Stop going to kill know what to do. Stop going to kill
Alright, so guys, listen.
You know
we have white flag. So Queenie, you know if it's worry and fret no more what do we go say? Yeah, RT good back, right? Right, Queenie?
My partner, who are clear of that.
Clear up that.
The part from the phone.
I'm going to tell you the truth about that now. You see, don't tell us that I have 10 crocodile in my pussy.
I don't see Momo. Where is she?
Me not believe NotNice. NotNice an extra up that.
Big extra, me fi tell you a gleaner.
You can't tell me about NotNice. We said nobody can tell me nothing about that.
One big wicked that boy there. One big wicked
that
he wicked like him.
Truth. Lie your fuck.
If she send the request, I don't see her. Wanna keep saying add Momo and I don't see her. Alright, Queenie. Queenie.
But she's a...
Guys, we have a next case. Ivany and Put not going to fight. Ivany and Put not going to bother fight, guys. That's the next case.
I don't know about that part there.
About the issue now,
Queenie.
and the girl when you Tracy.
I wish one of them in my depend.
Yeah, problem.
NotNice.
Yo, Mama.
Let me tell you something. Why? You see if me see you right now, but that puff your chest NotNice. You see the way I hear the close and me in a wife and husband therapy.
Queenie, but you come still
wait, you drop me like a bad habit and help do it chat me. So the two are guilty as fuck.
Yeah.
Do it, make me talk now, madam. Please. The two are guilty as fuck. You remember when you call, when I see the mix up on the internet with you and do it when I call you and said to you, I said, NotNice?
Yeah.
I said, NotNice, louder. Remember, do it, don't me, you know. I'm still calling and said to you one away. I said, NotNice?
Low it. I'm a low it.
Don't look good. I lie, me I tell NotNice?
That is right. I'm a low it.
All right. But this is 4 weeks after NotNice. So you is as guilty as Dewey. So see if Dewey say me a Bloody Mary, you should have tell him, say, shut the fuck up. And your wife. So you see now, you come and justify low that. It's disgraceful. NotNice, listen to me.
If you tell the truth, I did. If you tell the truth, I did.
Remember, me sit down and mind my own business, and you call me. I'm a turn to you and say, bad man, me and Momo is not friend. Me and her going to do something.
That is true. She has to suck your old. Yeah, true. You said that. That is true. That is true. That is true. You did say that.
So NotNice. So you sell me out. So listen, you see like how you sell me out, baby. You notice me never pay no man NotNice because you have somebody who may have different love for.
I will never sell you out, Queen. I never sell you out
music. No man NotNice. So listen to the Queen now. Do we shut up now, do we?
I never sell you out, Queen, because I never disrespect you one day.
You fucking did. You fucking sell me out at NotNice and it happened.
Come on, Queen, come on. I don't call that sell a Queen because I music them I do. Music. Him say more him would suck or whatever future them go through. We don't know about music. Queenie, look at her. Just like when you see a boomer, you say NotNice, you want a link. I'm saying, I'm call JB and get a link. I saw me say.
No, I never use JB for banter my husband. NotNice, so no could have killed me and dead. I could have dead. NotNice, the way I do my bad on the internet, NotNice. I could have friends and dead, NotNice. A different thing from working with JB this.
No, Queenie, but what I'm saying, I link to make. Queenie, I know you tell you about run got Canada, him run come a Canada and act like a idiot.
I mean, said him got Canada, NotNice.
All right.
Run him run. NotNice, listen to me. I told Dewey mother to send Dewey to Canada to escape from Cashrian because I said Cashrian itch up in a Dewey battle like palm tampon.
Yeah.
I'm tell Dewey and mother.
You fix up your argument.
Dewey tell me in my face. Wait, clear this. My husband never go nowhere left me. Wait. You see because I tell Dewey say stick around get 3.5 years of England missbling. For beat up him wife.
Stick around that prison?
Yes.
I know that.
Listen to me, Miss I said to Dewey and mother, I said, Odette, your son took me in my mouth, buy him ticket and send him go to Canada because cash when they are intimidate blood clot me with gun. I'm not afraid of gun. And at that him want for sure do with them at that. So send him go to Canada. So all who I said do it run left blood clot me. And me see one call the shots. So I said, how it work out now? Everything was meant to be the way it was to be. It was beyond everybody control. So when do we get Canada now and them get the whole heap of people them help done me? Do we glad Sam get a Arden? So when NotNice call him and tell him say my mom for hook up, for do song and bantan me, do we get a ammunition for bantan? That's just it never cost no blood clot and make we stronger. We load the blood clot fucker, we are big people. It's disgraceful. I was said and done, already said and done, and it cannot take back. If do it for left me tomorrow morning, so be it. But whatever already done, me think we can wrap it up now and call it a fucking
That's what I'm saying. No more click live and then now we're saying nobody argue with nobody. Me could just done and wrap it up and be friends.
Auntie, me I gotta tell you again.
When I have nothing against him, but this is going to say, yo, just like look for me and say, NotNice, it may have something, don't go up on the live. When me tell you something, mother, instead of spam back at the back, something like that, at that, him not switch for him go wrong, you know. Because always him and Momo, them go on the live on the time, you know. We still hold it like a G, you know. We still hold it. You see me?
Let me talk.
Give him a talk, NotNice.
You want me to tell you go suck your mother, brawly, brother. You tell me go
suck me tell you go suck your mother first, brother.
We tell me go suck every day. You talk, say, you rate the woman, because she take 3 years or 5 years, how much she there for it. If you reach the she reach and have what she have. So when you tell me go suck my mother, dog, you don't rate my mother, I have to tell you publicly.
All right, so everybody mouth bad, you see it?
All right.
All right, NotNice.
All right, I can't tell you now. All right, listen, all right, I hear that now, but listen, brother. When, all right, me and you talk at things, yeah? I'm going to show you something. You said something not nice, no matter what me have, brother, I'm going to hold it, I'm going to go up on live and this me, I'm say, all right, MG, I'm hold it. Remember now, you know, when me kick out with the Momo argument, you know, I go up on live with them, you know, I'm whatever, you know. Queenie, I call me, I'm still not answer, can you beg me to answer, brother?
So NotNice, we're there. So if you're married to me, do it the 2 we can't talk. Nah.
Don't answer.
Right.
Get me.
All right, NotNice.
You know, real brother. You still got to work with man.
Hello,
NotNice. Fucking show you. When man do it back to you, no care angle it, brother. Brother, you say you're NotNice. Don't listen to me. Have nothing, brother. We tell you something about to your DM. You tell me about something and they go click live. All right. You click live. Then me. All right. Me not say I'm gonna hold it and then me talk. Everybody them bumbo clap. Hey yo, the one of them.
I got you to talk.
NotNice, remember me call you and I talk to you and NotNice, and me call you and I talk to you just to show you. NotNice, let me make sure you give a peace side. Let me give a peace side, NotNice, because I like you a member. And me call you. Listen, brother, and me call you. Listen me now. You, listen me. Remember the same woman where you say me make you get my baby mother, sister, yeah, fuck it. Remember when you call me, a man here today, and you call me and I tell me, and I say to you, say, oh, you know that NotNice? And you say, dog, I want to hear. You know, me talk now, me a talk, brother. And me a talk. Buckler. And when you say, yo, whatever, me look for you now, and I say to you, as a man to man, and I say, bro, in a real life, you feel like me don't know them things, I know that long time. And by the time I hang up the phone with you, Kiki could have called me back again. And I said to me, say, when me a call her name to you for? So that simply means you don't care about my name, you tell the people, them say, me tell you, say, the girl have, she there man yard. You hear that? In a real life, just show you a mix up NotNice. And you say it to me, bro. And I say to you, say, oh, you find out. And you show me how you find out. And I turn to you and I say, in a real life,
Missbling, NotNice. With a girl, I said, Dewey never tell me nothing about a girl. And me use my head.
Daddy, the girl call me back and say, you tell her, say, me tell her sister, say, she there her man yard.
Listen, what I'm doing, I'm telling her what me call you. I said, Dewey, you know, some finance a Tennessee, our ex-man yard. I say, yeah. I lie. I'm say yeah. I'm start. Even when I say it to you, you still say yeah.
Me still a play like me no know.
Well, no, brother. When I tell you everything you say NotNice, you know about me. You tell my business that.
That is it.
Me left it right there, so that's a set to me. Yes.
So how me I go hear back say me say it to you, brother? How me I go hear back say me? I'm just say it to you.
Brother, no, brother. I from before.
That for sure you a pussy NotNice. He's a pussy dog. He's a pussy. I call back my bumbo clock name. And you find out where you find out, and I show you say, dog, me is a real nigga to you, but me never come say it to you like that. You get me?
Alright, not nice. Not me.
Not nice.
Pussy, my you.
Not
Yeah,
nice.
the bigger one. Yeah, the bigger one, not nice. May I tell you?
Stop the Tracy Turner is too blood clot, bitch. You know, stop the Tracy something and listen to me now. Not nice. We don't have no time for no fucking rubbish talk, man. Not nice.
Yo.
You constantly I said Dewey say, you know, for go on internet. Did you see what Dewey done to his wife on the internet?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Answer me.
So
why you think you special and Dewey never meet in a real life yet? I mean, and Dewey lie down and sleep and married. And Dewey drag blood clot me on the internet. Find him head take blood clot him I got drag it. So what you didn't expect? You say no. Come on, not nice. So now let go the fuck with now.
That's true.
That's true. The one way of drunk and dark shit. No blood clot that not nice. Look what Dewey do me.
That's why I'm real Queenie. Like accept shit for what it is.
I really my husband that. I want me dip up back pan that do it dirty blood clot. Do we say a bomber clot? My wife that a life where you man.
Yes, that's why I'm ready to communicate. Is that matter to people? Them want do things and I accept shit what it is like. No pussy what that I do. And that I say accept it, man up to it. Just like how do we could have
man up to what? Man up to what not nice.
I'm gonna come say yeah.
Which not nice beside the artist
No man, I mix up one. I mix up one.
Not nice.
mixed up one, not tired.
Listen, not nice. You fucker, you know why it sweet me or you sell me out for do it.
Thanks, man.
No. Them at Jamaica. You fucker, you.
But she's supposed to lose her for you.
Long time. Can you reach a foreign?
Now go for me and I want to
don't set up car. Me no lose her.
I me fit tell you. Me go back for me head. Not nice. You want see me go for me head again? You want me go for me head, especially for your pussy. You don't know. I look like all that blood clot body of my wife. Me that blood clot showcase it too. And you take it up in your closet and I sleep with it bumbo hole. You know see a batty man. You a batty man. Bumbo clot. You come tell me about head top pussy. And my wife me a blood clot. Me make it fun. I want to hear you. You see you don't style now. You don't style only thing you have to do is suck pussy. I want to you to have look what I call it now. Look a romantic in your brother. I want to fuck your wife. Fuck your wife. Never go make top for my wife. I never go for make top for you. So the fuck you make that be a bother to your brother. I want the bumbo clot there, dog. You tell me about head top. And that's why man always I got this to you.
Suck your mother.
That's why man always I got this to you.
Suck your mother, boy. I want to. You talk about
it. Not nice, but suck your mother, not nice. What do you mean they are foreign? We never come find me. Bro, me make you know when me the CT, bro. You don't know. Me come up foreign and me not afraid of you.
Low that, man.
Yeah, I want to tell you.
Low the word,
Me try me PC there, you come go like you want come style out man thing. Pussy go suck your mother. I peel you take batty boy. I peel you take her and dive off in a girl them front. Low me, brother. Low me. I mean, my wife have fun, I'm go for my head top. So what? Where you make it be a bad favor?
That is it.
I'm a wife, me a dance for. Me never a dance for you, bro.
That is it. No man.
Me never a dance for you, brother. So stop make my head top be a problem to you, dog. Me never go to the public.
And your style, my style about me.
What the fuck do you? You style yourself, brother. You style your fucking self. Cause Molly, you a pop dog. And a chuck off dog. Me nah do them thing there, brother. Me nah do them thing there, bro. I'm not going to girl clothes down. No girl can't come on the internet and say me in her jeans. Cause at the end of the day, man zipper taller than woman zipper. So from me see that, me not wear girl pants, bro. Know that. I want to hear, brother. No man go like you know want style, man, dog. Cause me style no wicked. Know that.
Do it done. Do it shut up now.
Talk is cheap.
Me there try make PC there. You come go like you want style, go head top. I want to go like you want style, my brother. Hey, you hear what you say? Every time you come when me there Canada. Every time I call you, it's a girl round me. So how you want come style out me thing, dog? I want to hear that.
And you want this man thing, youth. I want to just ease yourself, brother. Because you know what time it is better. So stop like a pussy, my youth. Because I never, I saw you up to the time.
I can't tell you something. Uncle man, if you talk in a real life for you. But you see where you talk, dog, you not connect, dog. I tell you in a real life.
But boy, I swear, up to the time, when them diss me, I hold it with their brother. And Jimmy, I still do the fuck.
Daddy, let me tell you something. Not nice, you hold it with me, but you style me underneath it to pussy. When Mumu come here, them a whole round table talk about me. I say me nah no money, and I say how much girl I send me a Western Union and whatever. What you was there talking to? I so come you could have bring back where Mumu tell me where Mumu say and where Andrew say, brother. You hear that? So stop go like you want. You never tell me what you was say. And when the big attack ups come about me, Mumu them a tell me what you say, brother. Easy. I want to hear dog. Easy.
Now, he's trying to make peace with you, right?
I am go like him want come style man, Miss Blinga. I want to him.
What is
I
it
tell man about bumbuckler and stuff. I want to see your pussy. You're going like you not follow up yourself for your girl. Hey, pussy, you not follow up. Why you mean I must have to tell about your mother pussy? Come see your mother when you tell me about your respect pussy. I tell me about my mother. Go suck your mother. And you first tell me about my mother. And you know me. From the moment you not trouble my pussy, me now go tell about your mother, batty boy. I want you.
Alright, so not nice. What I'm saying here? We cuss and we done and we talk. He might try make peace with them, just make peace with RT. So we are set to you now. What is holding you back from just done and make peace?
I don't have nothing against Dewey, because my wife good enough. So I don't have nothing against Dewey.
Alright.
You better make sure you're not good. Because you don't want to live for you.
Pussy, you know what your wife.
Like how you live for me, batty boy. Because look like me name your fixer just pussy. Because remember in your car you live, batty boy. I want to take and chat to my pussy. Every day in a bum buckler put up so when I work and run, I can't even put up so in a bathroom. Pussy got suck on the mother. I want to know, boy. I want to know. I want to know. Lift up off our internet, dog. I rest people and not gonna stop get this. You hear? Fuck do no. If you are good. Don't go like you want to style out man thing, pussy. Cause me have name and me make Queenie get little bum buckler highlight on here. Yeah. Know that. And me make you get highlight on here for you run up on my life. But fuck your mother, remember you there in a party, batty boy. When you go beside your brown friend and say CG, CG, and the dog say, yo, one connection. Nobody know your batty boy. Nobody know your, hey boy, you need a stone for your name right, pan. Go suck your mother. I want you, nobody know you. Bum buckler. That's why I tell you, don't style me out, because I have name in the street and I have none.
Alright.
Shut the fuck up now, Dewey.
Alright, Queenie. Wrap this up, Queenie, me tired.
I mean, I'm wife giving me name. I mean, no
Queenie.
Rub no shit for me name.
Not nice.
Queenie.
Not nice.
This is RT first. Big up yourself, Queenie.
Big up yourself, RT. Alright, listen. All of this line. Not nice.
Talk is cheap, everything.
You can't done now.
I'll show you something to talk, brother. Talk is cheap, everything good.
Not nice? It's on earth. Stop it.
Why your problem, not nice? Why your problem?
Not nice is like you're not crying no peace.
Okay, you're not crying. You're not crying.
Oh, not nice to cry peace, so they're not nice.
I'm done, I eat that.
Alright, he's saying done.
I'm done, everything good, I'm done. Give me some done.
Alright.
Fuck you.
So we're back at square one now. So, let's start. So, Queenie!
What a disgrace.
What a craziness. What a piece of loss. So, Queenie,
Yeah.
you and RT going to work together again and stuff?
God on time.